Hello everyone, and welcome back to Learn English with Sam and Pam. My name is Sam.
And I'm Pam. We are very happy you are here today.
In today's episode, we will help you learn how to talk about food in English.
Food is one of the most common topics in daily conversation. People talk about food with friends, family, coworkers, and even strangers.
Yes, you may talk about food when you go to a restaurant.
You may talk about food when you travel.
You may talk about food when shopping at a supermarket.
You may talk about food when someone invites you to dinner.
Or maybe you simply want to tell people what food you like and dislike.
Today, we will teach you useful food vocabulary, simple conversations, and clear sentences you can practice.
We will also include shadowing practice.
Remember, shadowing means listening and repeating after us.
This helps your pronunciation and speaking confidence.
Let's begin with very basic food vocabulary.
Food can be divided into categories:
First, fruits.
apple,
Banana,
orange,
mango,
grapes,
watermelon.
strawberry. Repeat after us. I like eating apples and bananas. Again, I like eating apples and bananas.
Great job.
Now let's talk about vegetables.
Carrots,
Potatoes,
tomatoes,
onions,
cucumbers,
lettuce.
broccoli.
Repeat, I eat vegetables every day. Again, I eat vegetables every day.
Excellent.
Now let's talk about protein foods.
Chicken,
Beef,
fish,
eggs,
beans,
lentils. Repeat, my favorite protein is grilled chicken. Again, my favorite protein is grilled chicken. Very good. Let's talk about drinks.
water,
Juice,
coffee,
tea,
milk,
soda. Repeat, I drink coffee every morning. Again, I drink coffee every morning. Wonderful. Now let's talk about meals during the day.
Breakfast is the first meal in the morning.
Many people eat eggs, bread, fruit, or cereal for breakfast. Repeat, I usually eat eggs and bread for breakfast.
Lunch is usually in the afternoon.
People may eat rice, pasta, salad, sandwiches, or soup. Repeat, I usually eat rice and chicken for lunch. Dinner is often the last meal of the day.
People may eat meat, vegetables, pasta, or soup for dinner.
Repeat, my family eats dinner together every night. Excellent work. Now let's talk about expressing likes.
You can say, I like pizza.
I love sushi.
I really enjoy pasta.
My favorite food is tacos. Repeat after me. My favorite food is pizza. Again, my favorite food is pizza. Great. Now let's talk about dislikes.
You can say, I don't like spicy food.
I don't enjoy seafood.
I hate bitter vegetables.
Repeat, I don't like very spicy food. Excellent. Let's talk about describing food.
Food can be sweet,
Salty,
spicy,
sour,
bitter,
delicious,
fresh.
healthy. Repeat, this soup is hot and delicious. Repeat, the cake is very sweet. Very nice. Now let's imagine ordering food in a restaurant.
I'll be the waiter.
And I'll be the customer.
Hello, welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you. Can I see the menu, please?
Of course, here you are.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
Our grilled chicken is very popular.
That sounds good. I would like grilled chicken and rice, please. Would you like something to drink?
Yes, I'd like orange juice. Anything else?
No, thank you.
Your food will be ready soon.
That was a simple restaurant conversation.
Very useful when traveling.
Now let's practice shopping for food. Imagine you are at a supermarket. You may say, where can I find bread?
Where is the milk section?
How much are these apples?
Do you sell fresh fish?
Repeat, excuse me, where can I find rice? Excellent. Now let's talk about cooking. Common cooking verbs are very useful.
Cook,
Fry,
bake,
boil,
cut,
wash.
mix.
Repeat, First, wash the vegetables. Repeat, then cut the onions. Repeat, finally, cook the rice. Great job. Now let's talk about favorite foods. Pam, what is your favorite food?
My favorite food is pasta because it is delicious and easy to cook. What about you?
My favorite food is pizza because there are many different toppings. Do you like spicy food?
A little, but not too much. What about you?
I love spicy noodles. Nice. Now let's talk about healthy eating. Some people try to eat healthy food every day.
They eat fruits and vegetables.
They drink water.
They avoid too much sugar.
They cook at home. Repeat, I try to eat healthy food every day. Excellent. Now let's practice talking about breakfast. What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I usually eat toast, eggs, and fruit. What about you?
I usually drink coffee and eat cereal.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. It gives me energy.
Good answer.
Now, lunch.
What do you eat for lunch?
I often eat rice, chicken, and vegetables.
I usually eat a sandwich or salad.
Now, dinner.
What do you usually eat for dinner?
My family often eats soup, rice, and fish.
I sometimes eat pasta or grilled chicken.
Great. Now let's practice talking at a friend's house. Imagine your friend cooks dinner for you. Your friend asks, "Do you like the food?" You can say, "Yes, it's delicious. Thank you for cooking. I really like this soup." If you do not eat something, you can politely say, "Sorry, I don't eat seafood." Or, "I'm allergic to peanuts." Very useful phrases. Let's do a longer conversation.
Hi, Sam. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
What do you want to eat?
I want pizza.
We had pizza yesterday.
That is true. Maybe pasta?
Pasta sounds good. Should we cook at home or eat at a restaurant?
Let's cook at home. It is cheaper.
Good idea. Do we have pasta at home?
Yes, but we need vegetables.
Let's go to the supermarket.
We need tomatoes, onions, cheese, and mushrooms.
Should we buy dessert too?
Yes, let's buy ice cream.
Excellent choice. Ice cream always wins.
That is a fact.
Now let's practice pronunciation with longer shadowing sentences.
Repeat after me. My favorite food is grilled chicken with rice and vegetables. Again, my favorite food is grilled chicken with rice and vegetables. Repeat, I usually drink tea in the morning and water during the day. Again, I usually drink tea in the morning and water during the day. Repeat, I enjoy cooking dinner with my family on weekends. Again, I enjoy cooking dinner with my family on weekends. Excellent pronunciation practice. Now let's talk about desserts.
Cake,
Ice cream,
cookies,
chocolate.
pie.
Repeat, my favorite dessert is chocolate cake. Wonderful. Now let's talk about street food. Many countries have delicious street food. Tacos,
Kebabs,
noodles,
sandwiches.
fried snacks. Repeat, I enjoy trying street food when I travel. Very good. Let's discuss food from different countries. Italy is famous for pizza and pasta. Japan is famous for sushi. Mexico is famous for tacos. India is famous for curry dishes. Turkey is famous for kebabs. Every country has unique food.
Food teaches us about culture.
That is very true. Before we finish, let's practice one final full conversation. Hi, Pam. What's your favorite food?
I love pasta. What about you?
I love pizza.
Do you cook often?
Yes, I cook dinner 3 times a week.
What do you usually cook?
I usually cook rice, chicken, and vegetables.
That sounds healthy. What about you?
I bake cakes and cookies on weekends.
That sounds delicious.
Maybe I'll bring cake next time. Please do. I will be waiting. Very patiently. Maybe not patiently.
We know you love dessert.
That is correct.
Today, we learned how to talk about food in English.
We learned food vocabulary.
We learned how to order food.
We learned how to describe food.
We learned how to talk about cooking.
And we practiced many useful sentences.
Keep repeating these phrases at home.
Practice when you eat.
Practice when you shop.
Practice when you cook. Thank you for learning with us today.
We hope you feel more confident talking about food in English.
See you in the next episode of Learn English with Sam and Pam.
Stay hungry for knowledge.
And maybe for pizza too. Definitely for pizza.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.